Now this will last up to a week, but I know in my house, it never ever lasts that long. I may be a little bit biased, but growing up, my nan made the best lemon curd in the world. Whenever we went to her house, there was always a jar in the fridge and we would have it on absolutely everything. In pies, on pavlova, in tarts, on toast. I even used to sneak it straight from the jar whenever Nan wasn't looking. Best of all, it is super, super easy to whip up. I'm going to show you now just how we make lemon curd. To start the recipe, you want a nice small pan with a heavy base on the bottom. I'm going to pop this onto a medium heat and then add in all of our ingredients. So I've got some sugar, some butter, some lemon juice, some lemon zest, and I've got a free-range egg and I've just lightly beaten that egg, and that can go in. Stir all of those ingredients until they melt and come together. We're going to bring this up to a simmer until it slightly thickens. You want to stay here and stand with it though, we don't want to scramble those eggs. Obviously lemon curd is probably one of the most popular curds around, but of course there's loads of other things that you can put in. Things like blood oranges, mandarins, ruby grapefruit, passion fruit, even limes. You can put your own twist on it. As long as you've got those ingredients in there, just switch out the lemon juice for something else. As soon as you can see the mixture thickening and becoming beautiful and luscious, you know it's ready. All you need to do now is to strain this. So just run it through a fine sieve. Obviously it's quite runny now, but as this cools, it's going to thicken up and become beautiful and really versatile to use in so many different recipes. My nan always stored this in a sterilised jar, so all I'm going to do is pour our lemon curd in. Then all you need to do is let this cool, pop a lid on and pop this into the fridge. One of my favourite ways to have lemon curd is on a gorgeous, fluffy scone with some whipped cream. This is absolute heaven.